Hey guys, and welcome back to Greenlight Car Reviews. So we're actually going to get into the installation right now of these parts. From the first side of the car, did you think it was pretty easy to do?
It was pretty easy, and you can go on the internet and go www.bavsound.com and go check out all their installation videos.
Yeah, because they have a lot of reviews, and it looks pretty straightforward. It doesn't look that complicated.
It's very easy.
It's all plug and play.
Alright guys, so we're going to start by installing the Ghost subwoofer. So that subwoofer is located under the driver's seat. Okay, so these are the 4 screws located on the speaker grill cover. And so we're going to go ahead and just take those off. Alright, so after removing those 4 screws, you're going to want to unclip this clip right here. And then you're going to want to use this pry tool to pry the speaker up just a bit. And then from there, it should come right out. Okay, so now we're doing basically reverse installation. So we're going to want to put the subwoofer in. Alright, so we just put back those 4 screws. So to take out the front door, there's 2 screws behind this. We're going to have to take off this trim here. Alright, so once you remove these 2 screws, you're going to want to take this pry tool and you're going to want to go inside the door here. So once you've got the door off, you can just hold it on your knee here. And so now we're going to go ahead and install the mid-range speaker. So once this foam piece is stuck on, you're going to take the piece that was at the front originally, route it through the wires, and you want it to sit at the back here to reduce vibrations. Then installing the speaker is basically very straightforward. There's only one way it can go. Alright, so this is the new Bavsound tweeter here, and we're just going to go ahead and clip it right like that. Alright, for this center front speaker here, you're going to push up and all these clips are going to come off real easy. Then on this new Bavsound speaker, you're going to see it's going to come with this bracket. You have to put this bracket here. And so this speaker then plugs in right here. Once again, there's only one way the speaker can go in. The back door and the front door is basically the same thing. You remove those 2 screws, pop out the door, and there's going to be the speaker there, 3 screws. Remove it, put it back in. There's no tweeter at the back, so it's even easier than the front door.